Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're showing you how to use the double location heat press machine. It's ideal for pressing t-shirts quickly and in batches. Let's go. We've already switched it on. Right here is your control panel. It comes with default settings of 180 degrees and 40 seconds pressing time. You can always adjust the temperature or time as you please. I'm going to change the time to 10 seconds, then I'll press both shirts twice. Let's load our first t-shirt. You want it flat and straight, no creases. Then position the heat transfer paper with your design on, add your non-stick Teflon sheet and press it. Now while that side is pressing, you can already start prepping the second t-shirt on the other side. This is what makes the dual press so efficient, zero downtime. Once the press is complete, the automagnetic lock releases, allowing you to slide your next shirt and start pressing. While that's happening, you can peel off the transfer paper just 1 second after pressing. Amazing, right? No need to wait for it to cool down. Now, let's give both shirts one final press to really let those colors pop with extra vibrance. And there you go. Beautiful finish, vibrant colors, perfect press. That's how easy it is to press with the double location heat press machine from MaxLaser. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Like, subscribe and ring that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.